Are you tired of having to change your pad every hour, every mahina, and want a hassle free period? Then stay tuned and keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janvi and I will be talking about period struggles today. Like, dude, period itself is a big struggle and changing your pads every hour, oh my god, spare me the horror. Are you also tired of using uncomfortable pads which give you rashes, the irritation, the soggy feeling, and also, sometimes the pad shifts here and there? That is so uncomfortable. So, to avoid that, we have a brand new product, and that's a period panty. I'm sure you have heard it by now because it is going viral and for good reasons. I have now ditched my pads and switched to the Mahina period panty. I used this last month during my period cycle and I definitely was so comfortable, and I really wanted to share my honest opinion on how it felt to use a period panty for a person who has used pads for so long. First things first, now you would ask why I chose Mahina. There are a lot of brands coming out with period panties. First thing is that Mahina is an Indian brand, and second thing is that Mahina is the first brand who has launched bonded seam period underwears, which is the Mahina underwear is eco-friendly, crafted with gentle, planet-friendly materials for the ultimate comfort. It has 3 lightweight absorbent layers. It prevents leakage for up to 12 hours because of its high absorbency. It comes in 7 sizes, 4 floors and 3 rises. You can get yourself one in the mahina.co, and also it is available in different sizes from XS to 3XL. Flow ranges from light to super heavy. If there are 3 marks on the underwear, that means it is for heavy flow. If there are 2 marks, then it is for medium flow. These are tested and aggregated by certified internal and external labs to guarantee no toxins, no bioburden, no leaks, and better performance. Lastly, it is very easy to use. You do not have to worry much. You don't have to stick things to your underwear. You do not have to do anything. You just have to wear it like a simple underwear, nothing too fancy, very easy, no brainer, so easy and comfortable. You can wear this up to 12 hours and it will stay dry and fresh and comfortable throughout the day. You do not need any additional pads or tampons with this underwear. You can just put this on and you're good for the day. You just need to rinse these with cold water, and later you can also throw it in the machine and then you can just air dry these. This period underwear is very versatile and very stylish. It won't give you that bulky feeling. This is so seamless, so comfortable to wear throughout the day, and you won't even realize that you're on your period. As simple as that. You don't need to change your pads, you don't need to change your tampons, nothing, no change at all. It can let you go throughout the 12-hour day seamlessly. Mahina period panty is definitely a game changer for me, and if you are a teenager or a working woman, you need these in your life. Like, I'm not even kidding. Your periods are not going to be an issue for you at all. You won't be worrying for leakages, not being worrying for to changing on tampons, to changing on your pads every hour. So yeah, you must try these out for an hassle-free experience of your period. I have been using these for a while now and I wish I found them sooner. I wish I had just gotten them sooner and my period would have been so much better. If you really want a hassle-free period, you must try these out. I honestly want a lot of women to know about it, and that is the reason I made this video. And if you want to buy yourself one and try one out, you can definitely go on mahina.com to get yourself one. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also share this with your girlfriends and all your girlies for having a great period experience with the Mahina panty. Also subscribe to my channel and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.